Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set notification for only high priority emails on the Gmail application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, tap on this letter icon and click on the menu option. Then scroll down and tap on settings, then scroll down again and click on email notifications within the notifications section and click on high priority only, which is the third option. As you can see, you will only be notified about new emails that Gmail identifies as high priority. You can set the notification sound as well by tapping on this button down below. Click on done and then it will be updated. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.